You're not losing focus. You've been trained not to have it. And the way you use your phone every day is the main reason why. You think the problem is discipline, but it's not. Your brain has learned something simple. Avoid anything that's hard, and choose anything that's easy. And if that doesn't change, focus will always feel impossible. Now pay attention to this. You sit down to do something important. You grab your phone, just to check one thing, and before you realize it, 20 minutes are gone. You come back, try to focus again, but now it feels harder. Your mind won't stop. Everything distracts you. And here's the point. It's not that you can't focus. Your brain already decided. It's not worth the effort. And it does this all the time. Your brain isn't broken, but it's not on your side either. It works like this. It repeats what gives quick rewards and avoids what takes effort. Simple. Now look at your day. You wake up, and the first thing you do is grab your phone. Short videos, messages, endless scrolling. Fast, easy, instant. And every time you do this, your brain learns. This is better. Now compare that to focus. Studying, working, reading. None of that gives you instant rewards. It's effort first, results later. So your brain does what it always does. Compares. Hard versus easy. And it picks easy. Not because you're weak, but because you trained it that way. And there's something that makes this even worse. You try to focus in the same environment that trained you to get distracted. Phone next to you, tabs open, notifications on. It's like trying to run while someone is pulling you back. And then you make the most common mistake. You try to fix this with willpower. You tell yourself, this time I'll focus. And for a few minutes, it works. But then you fall back into autopilot because you didn't change the system. You just tried to resist it. And that never works because your brain doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to what's easy. If it's easy to get distracted, you will get distracted every time. So stop trying to force focus. Start building it. First, remove easy distractions. Put your phone out of reach. Turn off notifications. Clean your environment. Because if distraction is easy, you will lose, no matter how motivated you feel. Second, reduce fast stimulation during your day. Less short-form content. Less constant switching. Because you're training your brain to need novelty all the time. Third, start small. 10 minutes of real focus. No interruptions. You don't need more time. You need consistency. And finally, repeat, even when it feels uncomfortable, especially when it does, because that discomfort means your brain is leaving its old pattern and building a new one. In the end, it's not about discipline. It's about what you repeat. Either you train your brain to chase what's easy, or you train it to handle what's hard. And that choice doesn't happen when you decide. It happens in what you do every single day.